Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can convert Zoho Mail emails to PDF. So please watch carefully so that you will be able to do it. So make sure that you are logged into Zoho Mail, and now what you will have to do is basically just select the email that you would want to convert as a PDF. And after you check it, what you will have to do is click this show more actions button, and then you will click print and just click print again, and then once you're here you will set the destination to save as PDF, and then just go ahead and click save, and that's basically just it. So once you save it, it will automatically be saved as a PDF, and then you will just have to choose your file location, and that's it. Finally, you will check your saved PDF to ensure that all content is intact, and then you will repeat it for the other emails if needed. And that's it. And I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.